Right guys, a little update on the bike. I haven't recorded much, I've just been cracking on with it. So yeah, so the wiring, I've just got the wire loom in, as you see in my, I think it was my first video that I ever did for this. So the wire loom is now in there. I haven't wired it all up yet because I'm still going through a few things. I need to do the DC converter because this one's going to be running 100 volts rather than 85, I think this was, 72. So I'm going to be swapping it out for a 120 volt, so that converts that into 12 volts for the electrical system, like lights and things like that. Rear brake line is now on with the left brake. Also I took, which was already on the bike previously, I've got my Fox grips and also on the throttle I just removed the old grip and with a bit of persuasion got this on there. So yeah, I've got me hand protectors on there now, so that's looking good. I've got my clock displays on there. Also put my quad lock on there for my phone for when I'm tuning it, so that yeah, that's all good. Yeah, like I say, I've just been cracking on with it. The rear light, this is welded them on there the other day. The fairing needed a bit of trimming back, so I'm not going to be using all of the fairing for this, but part. So it looks pretty good actually once it's all on there. Haven't done the battery yet. Got the ignition in there, not wired in yet. Got that in there. Yeah, the next things will be the battery, building that battery the way I want it, and then it's the matter of securing it in. And I still haven't worked all that out yet, how I'm going to do it. So yeah, still got them things to do. The front end I've kept with the original headlight because I thought it looked really good with the clock display. So that's how I'm going to have it, and I'll have the other indicators, things like that, lights. Obviously that's going to be black to match the bike, but yeah, I'm quite happy with this so far. Yeah, really happy with this so far. So yeah, I've just been, like I said, I've just been cracking on with it. I couldn't be bothered to record everything, otherwise I don't get anything done. But don't forget to like the video guys, really appreciate it, and also share it if you want to share it. And if you haven't yet subscribe, because this is going to be a beast.